Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel once again. This is Onchemod, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to copy your RidotPay UID, how to locate it and how to copy it. Because but before then, you need to know that RidotPay is a simple and a super crypto payment platform and app that allows you to spend your digital assets like USDT, USDC, and major cryptocurrency like traditional cash that you buy and sell through your app. Okay, and on top of that, you are provided with a virtual foreign Visa card. All right, you can see I have my own foreign Visa card right here that I've activated. I linked this to my Google Wallet, and I've been using this to perform some transactions in major stores like Amazon and the rest. So you can actually get on top of that you are provided with this foreign Visa card, and also you are provided with a physical card that can be to anywhere you are in the world and letting you to pay in over 130 million merchants. You can freeze it, you can view your balances, you can freeze the money, and for the Visa card right here, you can actually spend over in a day. You can spend 100K, all right, in purchases in a day. But for the physical card, you can actually spend more than that. So what you must know is that you can use it to securely um, send and receive cryptocurrency instantly and with zero fees. All right, you can use the UID to either send, receive cryptocurrency, and also whenever there is a giveaway, you are always demanded to provide your UID. And also for any form of assistance or verification or support from the team, you will always be demanded to provide your UID. So knowing how to copy it is very, very important. So now for you to be able to locate where your UID is actually is in this RidotPay app, just after you've registered the app and you've received your $5, just come over here and click right here. You click right here, okay? As soon as you click right there, you can see this little thing, these little numbers right here at the bottom. This is your UID. For you to, if you want to see it in a larger scale, just click right here so that you copy it. Always ensure that you take your time to copy it. All right, you can see here now that it has shown fully. Just click right here and copy it. This is your UID. You can use this to send and perform any form of sending, receiving internally from the app to other users. All right, right here in the app. So that is basically what you need to know about the RidotPay and its UID. So if this video was very, very helpful, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications and share because sharing is caring. See you in the next video.